Hello everyone, welcome to the shed. I'm Lonnie. Molly's doing better. She'll be out of school tomorrow too, but she should be back at school Monday. So this has been a tough week for me, work-wise, but it's been good that I've been available to do doctor trips and take care of Molly and all that stuff. But I have been listing a little bit. Like I listed half of this box of cars and then this entire box of cars. So I've listed like 36 cars. Started auctions anyway, and I'm hoping to get a bunch more tonight. Hopefully the rest of that big box and maybe another maybe 36 more cars tonight, something like that, and then hit it really hard tomorrow, but we'll see. I don't know. Made some sales. Let's pull some orders. Let's pack some stuff. All right, we'll start on the second account first. I sold an orange box. It's up here. Orange box is in. No, yeah, it is over there. Never mind. I think. Right? Is an orange box up here? Or was it? You know what? It was over here. Okay, orange box was in the 30-day challenge, which we're gonna update on Sunday. But yeah, it's in here. Orange box. And I sold this as disc only. I did have the a case for it, but I didn't advertise the case because it wasn't original. I need to take the sticker off of here. But anyway, I sold this really cheap, $6.99 plus shipping on top. So there it is. And all we're going to do for that, well, I need to set up a tripod, don't I? All we're going to do for this though is bubble mail. Zoop. Then I'll write orange on it. Need to get my Sharpie. All right, had to go get this game out of the old shed. Call of Duty Black Ops for PS3, and this is going to be a similar packing experience of doing this, 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 and this. Black Ops. Okay, I sold one of my Atari 2600 games. It's this white one, Mousetrap. This is actually, oh wait. This is an Atari 2600 game, but it's made by Coleco. It looks like a Coleco cart. This was actually sold to a viewer, Joel. Thank you, Joel. I don't remember actually playing this one, Joel. I don't think. Actually, you know what? I think maybe I did on ColecoVision or something. I don't know, but anyway, really cheap, $1.99 plus shipping on top for this, and let's pack it. All right, normally I would probably just put this in a bubble mailer, to be honest, but I'll pack this a little better for Joel. We'll do this. We'll do this. Check that fold, looks good. Then we come up right here, give it another little score. Then I'll tape this up. Oh. Ah! Another hand. Can y'all hear that rain? It's raining like crazy out there. Then, throw this in the bubble mailer. I'm gonna put a little note in here and then I'll seal it up and it'll be on its way. Thanks again, Joel. All right, next order going out to a viewer also, a viewer named Aaron, who said, they sent me an offer and they said in the message with the payment, that's B. They said in the message with the payment that they were watching, sorry for the camera work, golly. They were watching one of the videos when I accepted and the invoice came through. So that's cool. They got some of these Coca-Cola cards, antique looking Coca-Cola cards for $5.99 plus shipping on top. So let's pack these up. Oh, this gives me an opportunity to use one of my new boxes. This is a box. This thing is super sturdy. Look. This is, I don't have a link for this or anything because Pete, also known as Craigslist Hunter on YouTube, was kind enough to send me 200 of these. So Pete, thanks a lot, man. I really love these little boxes. And look, this is a great thing to use this for, great item to use that for. They fold up like that, but they start, I have them stuffed everywhere. Look, I have them under the bench. And then I have a bunch here, a bunch here. I think I had to hide some away in a few other spots too. But yeah, I've got a bunch of them. But this is what they start out as. It's like this. And you just fold these flaps here, here, here up. And then you come down with this over those flaps. Anyway, these boxes are terrific. Wow. Whenever I run out of these, I'm going to definitely find some kind of supplier to order some more of those from. But anyway, as a matter of fact, I'll start with one right now. I'll start with a fresh box. I'll use that one later. Show you all how they fold up because I love these. This is probably something, unless it's like real expensive normally, which it might be. This is something I might end up using a good bit because the strength is just incredible. It'd be great. This would be terrific for like cell phones or cell phones or MP3 players. See, that folds over and it locks into that little hole. Small electronics. I think it's good for these little cards that I'm shipping right here. Let's give this a quick wrap in a little bubble. Put it in there. And then I am going to have to write a little note real quick, but I'll just show y'all how it closes down. Boom, boom, boom. There we go. No movement. And I'm talking super strong. So thanks again, Pete. I know, like I'm sure like 95% of y'all, if not more, probably watch Craigslist Hunter already. But if you don't, I'll put a link to Pete's channel right down below. It's something else. he's really something else. He's got his own shop. He does huge business. He's got interesting customers, interesting stuff he sells. So if you haven't watched him before, go watch him. Alrighty. Open this back up. And I really need to get some cards made, don't I? I'll slip a little love note to Aaron in there, in the most funky way possible. Here, get in there. Look, I wrote that on notebook paper. I can do better, right? Here you go, Aaron. Cards. Okay, we sold 2 razors. I'll be having to check. You know what? Let's pull this box because I want to check how many eBay says I have left versus how many I actually have left. I think it'd be a good time to do that. Just to double check. So yeah, I sold 2 of them there. Those are pulled. Let's see what I have in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of these Ever Sharps. And then I have, look, I have a special one, a little unicorn over here. This is a Schick safety razor. I don't have this one listed yet. Vintage Schick Ever Sharp Hydro Magic gold plated injector razor, 1954 to 58. This was in the box whenever I got it, $14.99. That was in the box. So yeah, I have 7 left. Let me check my inventory and see what it says. If it might say none. Let me look. Okay, I say I have 7 and my listing says I have 6. Look at this, 3,000. Now this listing's been up since December 14th, 2018. And it's got 34 watchers and 3,647 views. So I'll just add 1. Oh look, I should be able to do this pretty easy, right? Can I not edit from this view right here? Let's see. Yeah, look, I just hit the little pencil thing. I'll change quantity and submit. There we go. 7. So anyways, okay, so I pre-made up, and this is probably not the packing video y'all wanted to see. Y'all wanted to see some of the more difficult stuff I packed, but I just haven't had time. I will get better at that, I promise. I'm gonna use 2 sheets of bubble wrap on each razor, mostly to immobilize. Get it in there, and the other one. Get her in there. Okay, and then one of them is going to a viewer named Ruben. So I'm putting a little note in that one. And I should really be putting a note in all of them. That's something I'm gonna look at like very soon. And I may get Candace to help me out with this. So I'll write Ruben on this one. And then this one, going to be razor. I still need to tape these. I'm going to put a little bit of tape on these, but y'all get the idea. Ruben, long time, I think, YouTube viewer. I think he's been watching a long time. But dude, thanks a lot. I appreciate the purchase. I hope you enjoy that razor. They're pretty cool. So thanks again, Ruben. Okay, sold a Superman figure, statue, whatever you want to call it. Superman enemy, arch enemies, or something like that. Let's see, that says Harley. Where you at? Oh, I bet this is it. Yep, Public Enemy Superman. That's what we got. So I need to pack this up. I mean, it's really it's in styrofoam already. So there's not a ton I got to do here. Let me see how I'm gonna pack it. Oh, took a best offer on this, $100 plus shipping on top. All right, let's go. It's got a regular old number 7 12 by 12 by 8 priority box. Close down the bottom. And like I said, this one is in that nice styrofoam. I'm still going to give it a little, I do have a little breathing room I can give it here, so I will. So I'll do that. And I'm just going to stuff some paper. Down the sides. And just a little bit on the end, not much. That styrofoam is very thick, so I'm actually not worried about the figure at all. Come on the top there. And seal it up. There we go. That's Superman. Alrighty, one more order, y'all. Y'all are gonna like this one. This is the one. This is the order where I get some pushback in the comments, and that's fine. I'm good with that. This is a Wii RVL001. We tested it just the other day. It's the one that has the GameCube ports up top. I sold this for $25 plus 7 something shipping on top, and this is the one. This is the shipping job that I'm gonna catch a little heat for. So here we go. All right, so this is a, let me get the box number for y'all. 1096L, that's what this is. Make this box up real quick. I haven't done one of these in a while. Yeah, it folds up like that. These tab in. All right, and then I'm gonna put a little bit of tape here just to hold the box shut while I'll do a little stuffing. There we go. All right, then we're gonna take the Wii console and we're gonna wrap it in a couple pieces of bubble wrap here. Wrap. Okay, get it in there. I need fingernails. There we go. Little seal. All right, that's a wrap on the Wii. So I already hear it. I can hear it from here. I've shipped, I know, at least 50 Wiis like this. And, well, that's my left hand. I've never lost one. Never lost one yet. So that's how I ship those. And shipping is done. Shipping is done, y'all. Maybe I'll come back and record a little more. I probably won't, though. I really got to get my behind in gear. But that is probably not the shipping video y'all wanted, because there was nothing really complex today. But that's the one we got. I'll try and do at least one good shipping video a week. The thing is, the good stuff usually happens on Mondays, because, you know, that's like Friday, Saturday, Sunday sales, and maybe a little Monday morning sales. So there's a better chance the good stuff will happen on Monday as far as packing stuff. Maybe whenever I do get like some interesting packing jobs, I'll record clips that don't necessarily go in that day's video, and I'll compile a bunch of this together. Just thinking out loud here. But anyway, guys, hope y'all enjoyed the video. I will see y'all again tomorrow. I'm probably not going yard sailing tomorrow because it looks like rain. It's raining right now. I don't know if y'all can hear it. But it looks like we're getting rained out this weekend, which is just a fact of life here in southern Louisiana. So anyways, hope y'all have a great weekend. Take care. Bye-bye.